SEO Revolution. Video number 5. Best on-page SEO optimization techniques. Want to make your post keywords targeted, SEO optimized, and ready to drive more traffic? Find lots of good on-page SEO techniques to optimize your blogs. Why do you need on-page optimization? Our goal with on-page SEO is to optimize an article in a natural but smart way so that search engines can easily pick out the target keyword and bring our website targeted visitors. Number 1. Blog post title. You should try to use the targeted keywords or phrase towards the beginning of the title, H1 tag. But if that's not possible, make sure it's at least somewhere in the title. Number 2. Post permalink structure. Use dashes to differentiate the strings in your URL structure. These are called pretty permalinks and are supported by most web browsers. Number 3. Heading tags. You don't really need to use any more H1 tags anywhere in the article. One is enough. For section breaks, stick to H2 and H3 tags. Number 4. Keyword density. You should keep the keyword density around 1.5% with a mix of LSI keywords. Number 5. Meta tags. While search engines pick up keywords, it's also important to use to click on the post. You need to write user-friendly meta descriptions that make sense and are related to your post. Number 6. Images. Image optimization does help a lot in driving traffic from image searches. Keywords in the image title and the alt text help to make your blog posts more focused and targeted. Number 7. Word count per post. Creating posts with at least 500 words is pretty standard. Analyze other posts for your target keyword and see how many words they have. Number 8. Internal linking. Place links to related posts from your blog inside of your blog post. When interlinking, try to use a keyword as the anchor text, but be very careful not to overdo it. Number 9. External linking. You should use do-follow links to trusted websites and no-follow links for those that are less trustworthy. Number 10. Write engaging content. Your post should be a complete manual for that keyword. You should learn how to engage your audience in a way that works for them. So these are 10 tips that will help make your on-page SEO much better and more likely to rank on search engines. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.